In today's video I will show you how to explore, this is an exploration video of different types of materials which are present inside Threejs, and also how to draw different types of shape inside Threejs as well. So here you can see a sphere, a torus, as well as a plane. I'm not sure why this plane, like if I try to move this plane, try to disappears. I think it is because of the plane being a two-dimensional thing, and if we try to go into a third dimension, it disappears sometime. I'm not really sure about this, but if you know, yeah, put it down in the comments to let me know why. So yeah, we'll be starting on the previous tutorial which we had. So if you have not already watched it, go watch that first. So what I have done is that first of all I have moved this loading manager out from our use callback, and I am trying to load different types of textures. I have just used different types of texture as well. I have added some matte cap as well as gradient texture as well. Now you can find all of this online. It's not necessary you have to use the same thing which I am using. You can use anything which you want. So here are some different types of matte caps. Now to get started, first I am loading all these type of textures. Then what I am doing is that first of all I am trying to use this basic material with the color red, which you have seen over here. Next there is some other like you can use basic material and pass a map with color texture as well. Okay, and if I try to save it, you can see my texture over the material. Also you can use something like material dot map equal to color texture as well if you want to change it later on. So yeah, that's how you do it. So this is the material. Before I try to explain more materials, what I have done is that I have taken one sphere using 3-dot mesh, then 3-dot sphere geometry, and I am trying to move set the position x over 1.5 minus 1.5. Similarly I have taken a plane as well over here using 3-dot plane geometry, and a torus as well using 3-dot torus geometry, and set the position dot x equal to 1.5, and I have added all of those inside our scene. Also one more thing which I have done is that I have removed that cube thing which was present previously. Also I have added this clock, and I am trying to rotate all this mesh using that clock. So yeah, if you are interested you can add that as well, and I have commented out all the GUI code for now. Okay, now regarding the third material, so this is another basic material, but you can change the opacity, transparent, and if there is an alpha texture which you are using, you should make the transparent as true. And here you can see this is the output for it. Next this is another basic normal material with flat shading equal to true. So here you can see this is how it looks like, and if you disable the flat shading you get proper normal materials. Next this is a matte cap material, I'm loading the matte cap texture from our assets. So this is how it looks like. Again, you don't have to use the same texture, use any one which you can find on Google. Then there is a mesh depth material as well. I'm not sure why like if it won't be like, I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but it is very dark. Like here you can see like I'm trying to zoom in, but if I zoom out you won't see much. So this is how it looks like. Next I have tried to add some kind of a lighting to our material, and then use mesh Lambert material, and this is how it looks like. Okay, and like even I have copied this code from lightning, like even I don't understand it fully. And this is another for mesh Fong material, and I have set the shininess to 100. And specular, what do you mean by specular is, I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but there is this red color present, like it's very difficult to see. there is this red color which is present over here. It is present over here. That is for specular. Next, okay, like I was not able to get this working. I'm not sure why it just shows blank, like so this. And I have also tried this one also. I think this one doesn't seem to work for me. Again, I'm not sure blank. So yeah, this standard material and mesh tone material. But yeah, these are all the different types of material and texture which I have explored. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.